Vlog 116 with
Makaila.
We're at the river, that thing. Shh, that's a trade secret. We're going to blurt that out. Vlog 116, let's go.
I can see everything from up here. I can see everything from up here. I can see everything from up here. It's a new day to discover all the wonder. Maybe we'll uncover new ways to fall in love again and sing the melody. Oh, I'm on my way.
Oh my gosh, girl. I think that's super cute. Makaila, these are freaking gorgeous. Don't fall. Don't die. Don't die. We're going to do an episode of rapid fire questions with Makaila. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Name of the game is pretty simple. Answer which one you'd rather do. Would you rather cuddle a baby panda or a baby penguin?
Panda.
If Voldemort offered you a hug, would you accept?
No.
Is double dipping at a party ever acceptable?
I do it.
With your friends or just anyone?
With my friends.
What's for tonight's dinner?
Probably Taco Bell.
Nice. What did your Taco Bell order?
A Cheez-It Crunchwrap box with a Baja Blast.
Love it. Are reindeers real creatures?
Yes.
And then I'm going to may or may not get you canceled. Do you respect Kanye West?
I like his music.
That's how I would have answered too. And then the last one, big dogs or small dogs?
I like big dogs, personally.
The small dogs yell a lot more. Like
Yeah,
they yap a
they're
lot
better.
more. Yeah. So it's been an episode of the Rapid Fire Questions with Makaila.
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine.
Beautiful. I love those. Those look so good. It's so pretty. Test. Okay. That's a wrap. Vlog, whatever. With
Makaila.
I lost track of the number. Okay. I know we fit in a lot of different nature-y looks. How was it? Which was your favorite? Outfit, location, whatever.
Honestly, this outfit was probably my favorite. And I got to pose with my mom, too. So,
Little mom-daughter photo.
yes. So fun.
And then I know you were a little hesitant. You're like, thanks, I was taking you all these crazy locations, but did it work out?
It did. It was so fun.
You trusted me.
I did trust you.
Sorry we didn't get any flowers, but
Sean's the best.
what do you want to tell all the people watching? It can be whatever. You can give a shout out to yourself, whatever. Little plug for your Instagram.
Follow me on Instagram, Makaila Herring.
Love it. That's a wrap, y'all. We'll see you in the next one.
Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. on the summertime.